love creative mind. Here is a new tutorial for those students who have confusion between shape, group and symbol. And in symbol, still they have confusion about what is movie clip, what is button and what is graphic, and what do they use for character animation particularly. Now let's play with movie clip. As I said, this is advanced feature. Then what are the advantages? What are the new features Animate CC is offering? New timelines means new animations. You can create combinations of animations. Let's talk about graphic. Inside again you will get entire. So watch this useful video on CSS YouTube channel.